2-1. Clear takeoff. Let's make it happen, boys.
Bands on Nellis Tower, you're cleared for takeoff.
It has long been known that if fighter pilots could survive their first 10 combat missions, their chances of surviving throughout their careers improves dramatically. Red Flag was created to provide those first 10 missions, and they make it as real as humanly possible. What is about to happen is considered by pilots to be more challenging and dangerous than war itself.
Salt 1 as frag. Controllo operativo e radio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ok, les gars, on va faire la vérification de la radio. 1, 2, 3.
A ghostly B-2 heavy bomber floats toward the battlefield. Their job is to destroy the ground-based missile launchers before the enemy is even aware of the coming battle. A pair of stealth F-117s follow close behind. B-1s have arrived from an undisclosed distant location to provide additional bomber support if necessary. A U-2 begins its long climb to the edge of space, sending intelligence to the AWACS surveillance aircraft.
18,000 heavy, 4 contacts. Okay. Turn that 3's going to recess.
On board the AWACS is Air Boss Major Rob Novotny. He will monitor the air war about to take place. AWACS crews use inputs from space systems and radar to understand the battle situation. Each aircraft broadcasts real-time telemetry that appears as three-dimensional imagery on board the AWACS.
In this war, most of the aircraft are good guys, known as the Blue Force. The bad guys are the Red Force, or the aggressors. The bad guys fly 12 highly maneuverable F-16s. They are among the finest pilots in the United States Air Force.
Sniper 1 is ready.
Tractor is the Red Force's mission commander. For most of the pilots, Red Flag is their first taste of an air battle on a massive scale. There is no other way to prepare air crews for the real thing in all its precision, complexity, and finally, chaos.
Yes, sir.
Great, and Viper's checked in as well, correct?
Yeah.
Talk to me about the strike package here. What are you showing?
We've got Viper Flight of 2 established in the north.
Right.
Eagle Flight established in the south.
The green guys right there, are those the Canadians?
We got Canadians are the orange guys.
I
up to the
thought
north.
the British were the orange guys and the green guys were the Canadians. Is that we had checked?
Negative. British are green, Canadians are orange.
Okay, you're saying.
"5 miles out, both sides begin firing heat-seeking missiles.
Sniper flying. Deploying a tactical formation. Let's give them all they can handle.
Flares are used to distract the inbound missiles from enemy aircraft.
Choco Flight, commit. Group bullseye 3302. Bands on Choco, copy.
As planes are hit and declared killed, they turn white on the Naxos screen. The good guys then must disengage and return to base. The aggressors get to regenerate and return to the fight. Once the battle begins, the air boss and his team struggled to keep 128 aircraft from 6 countries from smashing into each other.
You see here, Viper flights northbound at 6,000. You need to get on the phone right now. Get Viper and Chaco moving. They're going to hit.